We're going to be meeting Mr. VV Kamath, who's the Managing Director of Fronius, who's going to give us a quick tour of the place. Let's go over to him. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the stall of Fronius. We are known for good quality welding and improvement in the process and productivity. Let me take you to the 3D printing wire-aided additive manufacturing stall here. Here we are showing the live demonstration of 3D printing. This is where we do 3D printing. You can see here a part which is 3D printed. The map of India is printed here by using CU SC3 wire. Layer by layer we are building it up. In fact, whatever the metal you can draw into wires, you can do a 3D printing. And we are also having another process of wire touch sensing. So this is also being shown here. So irrespective of the gap and the variation, our machine understands this and do the welding. So this is a robotic welding station from our side. Now let me take you the most important part of our stall. Everybody knows welding is an art, but we also want to show you, you can also make an art by doing welding. So we have the international acclaimed welding art specialist. His name is Mr. Saad, Mohammad Saad. He is from Hyderabad. He in front of you, he is making the welding, the spider web by doing the welding process. So by end of tomorrow, you can see a beautiful creature by doing welding. Mr. Saad is our artist, welding artist, and you can see here he has done the spider web. And when it finishes, Saad, can you show the finished things how it looks? So yeah. So the spider will be placed on the web. So everything will be done by welding, by using Fronius professional welding tool. You can see our welding machines, those portable welding machines you can see there, will be used to make the spider web. You can also see some of the creation on the laptop. You can see these are all welded by using Fronius professional welding tool. From this I want to take you to the theme of our show, that is Industry 4.0 in action. With our 70 years of welding expertise, we wanted to put Industry 4.0 in action. Everybody talk about Industry 4.0, but we wanted to show everybody that what is Industry 4.0. You can see this is the various station data from the various station. My colleague Umesh, yeah, he will explain you, he will tell you exactly how much it costed us to do this show yesterday. The cost of doing the show for a day, yesterday the total gas consumption was 1,107 rupees for running this all the booths, and wire was around 1,521 rupees of various wires, steel and chromium nickel, and this is the energy cost. We just spent 100 rupees, less than 100 rupees for energy yesterday, and overall we spent 2,800 rupees. So each and every station is monitored. This is what is exactly Industry 4.0 what we are talking. Yeah, thank you, Umesh. And you can see all our stations are interconnected, and this is the Weld Cube what we have. So our product name is Weld Cube, and we represented this with a cube here. And let me show you our manual welding booth. We are doing the live demonstration. We are purposefully keeping the gap in the metal, and we are building it up. Our machine understands, and when you weld it, there is a 100% penetration. So this is the beauty of Fronius welding machine. My colleague Deepan does this demonstration. You can see the quality of welding, absolutely no spatter, beautiful welding. So this is what Fronius is known for. Let me take you to the interactive session. Here I want to show you this station is connected with Fronius Austria, which is 6,000 kilometers away from here. What's welding in Austria is recorded live here. So the part what we are doing here is recorded on day-to-day basis. Matthias, can you please come? Yeah. I have my colleague from Fronius International, Mr. Matthias. He is in charge for this particular product called Weld Cube. He will explain you. Can you just show the trolley drawing here?
The part monitoring?
Yeah. Part monitoring.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We have part monitoring in the software.
Yeah.
Here we see the actual live welding process, where every weld in the drawing will be done. The PLC sends the serial number and the article number. The robot sends the seam number. We have a live view of the part we are welding, and afterwards we have a full part report in our system.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Matthias. So please note that this part is welded 6,000 kilometers away from here, but we have the live documentation of all the welding parameters through this. So this is what is exactly Industry 4.0, which is in action. So let me now take you to the lifeline of us, the water pipeline, gas pipeline. So this is our pipeline welding station. Here my colleague Hanif Fodkar. Say hello, Hanif.
Hi, how are you?
Hanif is showing you the live demonstration of the pipe welding system. Here we have a welding power source, and the present practice is to do the manual welding, but we are doing the semi-automation. Show you some of the thank you. So you just made it do. The basic idea is you join two pipe by using a semi-automatic process. So here we have all our manual welding stations and various portable welding machines. You can see size of machines is extremely small. Now I will take you to another station. The name of this station is Arctic. Here you can do the welding without any consumable. So it's a square butt welding. This is an entirely semi-automatic process. You can see the station. Yeah. And if you can explain this.
This is an Arctic process. Basically this is a keyhole TIG welding. It's straight, you can save your money on beveling and cleaning, wire consumable cleaning. So it's very simple, and the speed of normal conventional TIG is three times faster.
And complete penetration. Yeah, thank you, Hanif. So after this, I want to show you what we have is the virtual welder. The virtual welder. So this is a welding learning station. Yeah, you can wear and you can do the demonstration. Yeah. So this virtual welder allows you to learn welding without spending money on the gases, consumables and wire. So this is a fantastic tool for anybody to learn welding, and you can see my colleague Mahadevi practicing welding by using this virtual welder. Yeah, now you can see she is practicing the welding. Now the welding starts. You can see as long as it is in green, the welding is all right. So it's in green, so welding is perfectly all right. So if you make a mistake, it becomes red. So it allows him to follow the green line. Then only the welding is perfectly all right. So this is a fantastic tool for somebody to learn. We also have the Wipro automation very next to us. So I will show you a twin wire system. Here we have a robotic twin wire system. This is basically to improve the productivity, quality. So you can see we have two power sources and single torch, and you can see the quality of welding. It's fantastic, no spatter. We can deposit as high as 30 kilo per hour. So this is excellent when the welding deposition has to be very high.
Hello. Here we have a brand new designed twin wire welding system. We have two insulated potentials to each other. We can deliver 2 times 500 amps at 100% duty cycle. That means 1000 amps in a total. The torch is water cooled as well, which also can handle 1000 amps, 100% duty cycle. The wire feeder is very compact, so we can feed 2 wires at the same time independently from each other, which leads in high deposition rates or high travel speeds.
I have my colleague Robert Room, who is area sales manager responsible for Indian operation. He would tell you a little bit about Fronius International. Yes, Robert.
So Fronius International is basically a family-owned company, founded 1945 in Austria. Still based in Austria, manufacturing all our products still in Austria, in Europe. So now we have become an international company with more than 5,000 employees. So this year we're gonna gross first time $1 billion turnover, annual turnover. So basically we are growing fast at the moment, and we are keeping a lot of attention into the internationalization. So Fronius India now already consists more than 120 people, so with a good market share.
Thank you. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.